Hello everyone and welcome back to My Crafting World. This is Anna. Today I have a small business haul to share with you guys, and this comes from, I bought these from Lori Valente. She is on Instagram, and I'm going to leave her link in the description box so you guys can go check her out. She pretty regularly has new items, and they are like acrylic like items. I don't know what the material, but to me it looks like acrylic. Right now she has some wands that, oh my gosh, they're so pretty, guys. I don't make mini wands, but they are so adorable. And she has some clear tags that are so pretty. If she had those when I placed my order, I probably would have ordered some of those. I may still do that. I'll probably still order them. Anyway, so these are some words that I bought from her because they are so cute. So they did come in a bag, and then within the bag was this box, and she wrapped each little word separately in tissue so they wouldn't get all scratched up. But anyway, so let me show you guys what I ordered, and I'm going to get a piece of paper so that you can see them a little bit better. Okay, what about a piece of foam? Let's do foam, because that was the first thing I could grab. So I did get a free gift, guys, and I got this beautiful little heart, and like I see, like it's like, I don't know, some kind of acrylic, and you know, so they're pretty sturdy. So I got that as a free gift. I did not order that one. And then I ordered words in 3 colors. So let me lay them out for you. And this one is the word candy. This is the word peeps. And look how cute that is, guys. Look how cute that is. It's got a little bunny on one side, and it's got like the arrow feathers on the other side, and the word in the middle. That's like, you know, a little arrow. So stinking cute. And then I ordered the word rabbit. So I will tell you what my plans for these are. And you know what? And this one says bunny. And I did order the pretty pastel colors. This one says hunt. This one says Easter. And this one says eggs. There you go. Aren't they pretty? Aren't those? Oh, I wish you could see the colors. They're beautiful pastel colors. They are so adorable. So let me lay out the other colors for you so you can see them all. So there are all the words that I ordered, and they're really, they're at a very reasonable price, I think, for you know, a product that's made out of acrylic, and they are custom made. I think that they're wonderful. So I believe she had a blue color, and you guys know blue's my favorite color, but so I didn't order that one, but she did have several colors. I only got the green, yellow, and pink, and then of course I got my free gift. Now the free gift, I don't know if she includes that, you know, in all her orders or not, but I got it. So I'm just showing you what I've got. So let's take the word candy, for example. You can actually turn these into charms. What I am going to try to do is make a hole. You know, I have that little drill thing that makes, you know, the tiny holes. So I'm going to try to make a hole in one of them. I have to unfortunately experiment with one of them, but so I can turn it into a charm, you know, and let it hang from a dangle or something. And of course I know there'll be others that I'll probably just glue down, but and I'll probably use E6000 because it is plasticky, you know. Acrylic is not, you know, very, you know, it's kind of hard to glue down acrylic, but E6000 really, really does the job. So this one for sure. This one for sure, I'm going to make the hole and turn this one into a dangle.